Guys, in this video we're going to talk about something so important that speculative trading is simply impossible without it. We're talking about broker leverage. You've probably heard before when people say leverage 1 to 30 or 1 to 50 or even better 1 to 500. So, broker leverage is like our muscles that allow us to trade better. In this video, I'll try to explain how leverage affects our trading. Alright, let's get started. So bro, let's imagine you don't have any leverage. You have $100 in cash. You go to any currency exchange, use those 100 USD to buy some foreign currency, hoping that its price will go up. Then you sell it back for USD and make some profit. So if you don't have leverage, your profit will be, well, just a few cents. If you use leverage, say at a ratio of 1 to 100, then instead of $100, you'll have $10,000. So of course, you'll make much more profit from $10,000 than from $100. That's exactly how broker leverage works. Of course, you won't be going to currency exchanges. You have a convenient platform. You make a trade, for example, that USD will rise against the Canadian dollar, and you earn a profit when the value of this currency pair changes. In short, leverage is like a sports car. You get in, hit the gas, and it shoots off like a bullet. Because the higher the leverage, the faster you can accelerate, the faster your deposit grows. And you shouldn't listen to all those idiots who say that if you have high leverage, it's very risky trading. Risk does not depend on leverage. Risk depends on the size of the trading lot you use for trading. Now, as for adjusting the size of your trading lot, depending on your deposit size and leverage, that's a matter of money management, and I will definitely tell you more about it in one of my upcoming videos. So guys, why do we need high leverage? When you have leverage of 1 to 500, for example, and you trade with a small lot size, you have a huge margin reserve left. And you won't have to worry that if you add a few more trades for other assets according to your strategy, your broker will send you a margin call notification or forcibly close your trades because you've run out of capital for trading. So guys, why do we need high leverage? First, because when you trade with a small lot size, you'll have a huge margin reserve left. Second, because in this case, the broker won't squeeze you with a margin call at every price movement. And third, you'll have flexibility. You can add a number of trades, trade multi-currency portfolios, and not worry that something will happen if the market is volatile or swinging. You just won't care about any of it at all. Alright guys, don't worry if you have a small leverage, for example, 1 to 30 or 1 to 50. Such leverage is the standard option for those living in the US or Europe. So if you have low leverage, it's not the end of the world. You can also trade and earn money using automated trading or manual trading. Everything is fine. The main thing is not to use dangerous trading strategies. For example, when you trade with a large number of positions using martingale or averaging. For instance, I personally decided a long time ago that I never use martingale or averaging. Accordingly, my strategies will work with any leverage, even if the leverage is 1 to 1. Although I did say that, of course, if you want to earn more, it's better to use higher leverage. And finally, if you want to earn with any leverage, go to my MQL5 profile or my website intradaysoft.com and choose the best trading bots or manual trading strategies for profitable trading. See you soon.